Yes, Mama. What's going on? What happened to that? Where is he?
The doctor said he has cancer.
Oh my God.
And it was discovered very late.
Oh my God, cancer, how? Eh?
Doctor said there is nothing absolutely we will do about it.
Mama, there must be something we can do about it. Is there no way we can do anything so Papa can live a normal life?
They say it's late and that he had just one more time.
Oh my God, oh my God. Papa. Papa.
Are you back?
Yes, Papa. What's happening to you? Is there nothing we can do to make you, even if it warrants us flying you abroad, we can take you abroad to get you treated properly? Oh?
There's something I want to tell you.
You want to tell me?
Please, come closer.
My own is that I can't wait to eat the arasu. Kamboro. Who is he waiting for there? Hey, this man, he's so cute and handsome. He's just my dream man for a husband. Hey, Jenny. What? Yeah. What? If you like him so much, walk up to him and tell him how you feel. And stop daydreaming. I know. The man will come and meet me. You know me. I'll just go and tell him that I like him. Say no, I can't be that boy. Hey, I'll get a trust in walking.
You people are already back.
Yes, Mama, I'm hungry.
You are hungry? You don't have to bother about that, eh? I prepared your favorite food. Apple and fufu.
Are you serious? Yes. Thank you, Mama. In fact, you're the best mother in the whole world.
And you are my most lovely baby girl. Eh? Let's go inside. Okay. Let me give it to you.
Let's go inside.
And Elizabeth. I want you two to go to the market and buy things for the house. Don't forget, Gary. Be back on time to help prepare the lunch.
Okay, Mama. My 3,000.
Yeah, it will be okay.
Okay, okay.
Bye. Elizabeth! Hi! It's like these girls have gone to the market, eh? And I forgot to ask them to buy more rice. Chai!
Is that not the man we saw yesterday? Hey, he's the one, oh. You see? That means we were destined to meet each other.
Please, forget men like this.
Why? How do you mean?
You see, men from rich homes, they are always saucy, arrogant, and mannerless.
Ah, Jenny. Jenny, you cannot just judge someone just by looking at the person. It doesn't work that way. Looks can be deceiving.
Please, I know. It's now dawned on me that you like him. In fact, you love him.
Of course I like him. Yeah.
Go walk up to him and tell him that how you feel. If you don't want to do that, I will do that for you.
No, you will not do anything like that. He should be the one to come and meet me, not the other way around. That is the pride of a woman. Hi, Jenny.
Sis, forget pride. Did they be pride now? Go for what you want. Oh, what am I saying? Let me go and tell him how you feel.
Hey, Jenny.
It's very sweet. Are you sure? Yeah. These are the ones I told you I wanted, right? Oh my! What way you going, young lady? What's wrong with you? Are you blind?
No, you watch your way, rude boy.
I am not a boy.
Neither am I blind.
What kind of a girl are you?
A girl that doesn't take nonsense from rich men like you. Anyway, I'm here because my elder sister over there loves you. That's what I came to tell you. Bye.
Hey, wait. What's your name?
My name? What for?
Because I'd like to know the name of the girl who gave me the biggest embarrassment of my life today.
Well, I'm the last daughter of Mazi Okafor. Bye.
And wait. Tell your sister next time when he needs someone, she should walk up to the person and talk to him herself. Days are gone when people send others to go for this kind of errand.
Bye.
Sorry, please, where is Mazio Kafo's house?
It's down by the street there, by the left.
By the left?
Yes, sir.
This same street?
Yes, just by the left.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hey! Oriako. Hey!
Today, I will show Mazio Keke and all those hungry elders how to dress when they set their eyes on my new Ishago.
By the time those Umad have seen me today, the way I dashed, and with this my new less, they must surely fall down.
Yes.
High five.
Somebody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, my son.
You're welcome, my son. My name is Wilson. I am Chief Tony's son.
Are you looking for any of my daughters?
Yeah, actually, I made some inquiries while I was coming here, and I was told that...
Rude boy.
Rude girl.
Wait 1 minute. Do you two know each other?
Yes, Papa, but
No, don't worry. That makes it easier. Eh? Go and bring chair for our August visitor.
No, that wouldn't be necessary, sir. My stay here will be brief. I just came to let your daughter know that I have interest in her.
Me? No, my elder sister, Lizzie.
You are the one I have interest in.
But she's the one that loves you. It's not me. You should be talking to her, not me.
Don't worry, don't worry about that. My son, you see, you are free to visit us anytime you want. She is all yours. Yes. Hey, I know you're gonna go.
You can even take her now.
In that case, you have to give me some time to think about it.
Not to worry. I'll give you all the time you need to think about it and give me your response.
See, my son. No need to think about anything. See, from now on, you are our son-in-law. It has started.
Please, I'll take my leave now, Papa. I am rushing somewhere, but I'll check you up some other time. Right. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Our in-law.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I am on my way out. See you guys over there.
Mama, what's going on? You still haven't told me what Wilson came here to say. And ever since he left, both of you have been behaving funny.
Jenny, so you've not told your elder sister about the handsome suitor that came here to ask for your hand in marriage?
Suitor. Hand in marriage. What's going on?
Let me leave both of you. I have something to sort inside.
Jenny, what's going on? You know very well that I was the first person that saw Wilson. Why would you go behind me too?
I didn't go behind you. He chose me over you. Despite the fact that I told him that you were the one interested in him. Forgive me, please, but I don't have a hand in this.
Jenny!
Excuse me.
Jenny, look, are you listening to your...
I've been calling you for some time now, and you are not answering. Are you sure everything is all right? Wait, or are you not happy that your younger sister is getting married soon?
I'm happy, Mama.
If you are, then get up. Go in and dress. You'll be going to the market.
How you doing, fine? How you doing, fine? Why are you so sad now? Why are you so angry? Nothing on earth should make your face to be like this, After all, my name is Alice, okay? I just came back to the place to see my parents. I'm not if you're not in a city, but I can't for Chalo Quaggy, or the Quaka, and the water. So I just started to come around. Sorry, I didn't go out to ask you. What's the name, sorry? Mpamzi Moses Empagi, Empagi can be a now. Hi, now wow. You know, Kuru Madaka. You're guessing I need in your letter. Pam, get what tells you the letter. Maybe tell us you with the letter, so bad.
I don't know, I'm just, I don't know. I'm discussing with Wilson about the wedding arrangements.
No, but my daughter, I hope you're getting ready for the big day.
Yes, Papa, I'm getting ready. I'm picking my Shebi girls. Picking them one by one.
Okay.
Sister, welcome.
Ah, my daughter, you're back already.
Azoka, what is wrong with your daughter since yesterday? Her face has been like that of a pensioner.
Nai, I will be the biggest liar if I tell you that I know what is wrong with that girl. She has been acting strange lately.
I'm going out for a few minutes. Please take care of my house.
Go for me.
So, Mama, like I was saying, I don't want anyhow girls of my day. I want fine, tall girls. So I'm taking my time.
With figure 8 now.
Amen. So I'm taking my time to select them. My big girls. I'm taking my time.
My daughter, you called us here that you wanted to discuss something with us. And we've been sitting here for 20 minutes. You have not said anything.
Elizabeth, Biko, if you have nothing to tell us, let me know. I want to go in and rest.
Papa, Mama, why is it that I'm always unlucky with every good thing that wants to come into this family? She gets to get everything.
Is that why you called us out here? Eh?
I thought you had something better to say, Elizabeth. I am totally disappointed at you. Don't tell me you're envious of your younger sister. Eh?
Nai, disappointment I brought Uncle Beleo. I am really ashamed of you. Instead of you to pray to God to give you a better husband like Wilson.
A rich one.
So that we can have 2 rich sons-in-law. You are here talking nonsense. Hey!
Mama, I saw Wilson first.
Hey.
Didn't I see Wilson first?
But he chose her over you.
He made a choice.
Let me advise you. Just as a mother, go out there and get a better husband for yourself.
Emphasize on that word, rich. You must find a rich one.
Get a rich one.
Yes.
We were family, we were best friends. And this love, I thought it would never end. How could you let this nothing come between us? How could you let this hatred show? You just ruined this love.
My Chi, why is it that my sister is highly favored than me? Why is it that nothing good can ever come my way? The man that I loved has been taken by my only sister. And to make matters worse, everyone thinks that nothing good can ever come from me. Jenny, from today onwards, as long as I live, you would never have peace in your life. They are going to be learning number. Yes. This 5, different color, different design. Then this side, different color, different design.
That day, I will invite the Omoadas. They will come. Talking about the Omoadas, that reminds me. Tell your husband Wilson to invite them. He will have to bring 1 big cow. Big cow, not the small one, no, to invite the Omoadas. Then after that, my age mates, they will come. All my friends, they will come. These sophisticated ladies and the women, yeah, live and direct. These musicians, P-Square, we will invite them. They will be here live. Fino Fino, Oge Okoye. What is that small boy's name? Tekino will be here too. Flavor, Nigerian of Africa. He will be here.
Mama, stop this now. We're still doing the arrangement. You want to invite the whole Nigeria to come for the wedding? You want my husband's money to finish just like that?
Your husband's money cannot finish.
This girl will come. Tekino will come.
I want your wedding to be talk of the whole town. Have you forgotten that you are my most loving daughter? Here life and direct.
Mama, that doesn't mean my husband's money will finish. Now after the wedding, we still have to eat now. I have to take care of other things because you know after the wedding. Let's do the wedding first. God must provide what you will eat, you and your husband. These people will be here. Let's go ahead. Which other people now? How many people have I mentioned now? Sister, please, I'm very sorry. I never meant to hurt you or make you sad. It pains me to see you unhappy. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Please stand up. I have forgiven you, my lovely sister. All the things I said, I never meant them. I only said them out of anger. Please forgive me too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm so happy. So,
what?
Yeah.
What you? What?
The lovebirds. My sister, I wish you luck in your marriage, eh? Let me get my clothes at the backyard.
What's going on in your mind? Are you sure?
I think so.
You said, stop pretending. What's going on in your mind?
Ozzy, Ada, how are you guys?
We are fine.
Where are you people off to?
We are going to the markets.
I can see. Okay now. Have a nice day.
Chioma, I pity for her. I can see sadness written all over her face.
Ada, it's quite unfortunate. The younger sister will soon get married for her.
And the most annoying thing is, the so-called husband of hers was snatched from her by her own younger sister, Jenny.
Yeah. CNN, Ebiakwa. BBC. How did you know? Who told you? God, let's leave there before you said one that happened. But it's still the same. Let's be going.
But I'm saying it.
Come, let's go.
What is true?
Lord.
Son, this girl that you want to marry, do you really love her? Or are you trying to marry her just to please me?
Not at all, Dad. She's the one my heart desires and I love her very well.
Then, you have my blessings.
Really? Yeah. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will be on my way now. I have to rush back to the city, but in case you need me in any way, just give me a call.
That's alright.
Mom, I'll see you later. Daddy. See you guys. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
My son.
Mama.
What's the problem? Talk to your mother.
Mama. Sometimes I wonder what the essence of this marriage is. When my dad will not be alive to witness it.
It bothers me too. But there is nothing we humans can do about it. God is the giver of lives, and it takes whenever He wants to. We are not in position to ask Him. All we need now is prayers. A miracle that will turn around things for your father.
Why Daddy? Why him? Why?
I don't know. It bothers me also.
Where is this place?
Well. This is our new home.
Oh my God! Our new home?
Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
I like it. In fact, I love it. And I love you.
And I love you more. You know what? This house is dedicated to you.
Oh my God. Oh, you're simply the best.
Let's go inside so I can show you the interior.
Can't wait.
Alright, let's go.
Wow! This is lovely.
What do you think?
And I think you're the best husband in the whole world.
No, I know the best wife in the You like it?
I love it.
Yes. So I have so many other places to show you in this house. Some other rooms. Yes.
You're so bad.
Some well-touched and decorated rooms. And you're gonna lead the way because you know the way.
Oh, let's do the way.
I'll show you. So let's toast to our first night in this house together.
And to a beautiful home with plenty children.
That will come from me.
Yeah.
Come from me. Cheers.
I want to ask you for a favor.
Go ahead and say it. Any request from my new wife is as good as granted.
Please, I want my elder sister to come stay with us so that she can get a job and also get a husband.
Is that all? This house is quite big enough to accommodate more. So, that request is granted immediately.
Thanks, my baby. You're the best.
Anything for you.
Thank you.
Unless I forget, this is delicious.
Thank you.
Really changed in such a short period.
Thank you, my sister. So how was your journey?
It was fine, oh. How is your husband?
He went out not too long ago.
Look at you. Hey, money is good though.
Hey, I know you must be very tired and hungry.
Exactly, I am. What do you have in your kitchen?
Don't you trust your sister? I made something special for you. Smells nice. I've been thinking, what if I employed the services of a cook, a steward, and a house help so that you can concentrate on your new job?
New job? From where?
Well, my husband is making arrangements for you to start working in his office.
Me?
Really?
Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness, I am so grateful. Help me thank your husband. Come here, thank you. So I have a job already. Just like that. Hey. Oh. See me.
Yes, but I can't wait to eat this. So can I taste?
No, you can't. Just exercise a little patience, It will soon be ready. Don't worry. But I got you.
Hey, I just see that.
Jambu!
Jambu!
Yes, madam!
take this piece of paper, get a blackboard and a piece of chalk, write what is written there and place it outside the gate.
Blackboard? Chalk?
Jambu!
Madam?
Can you read?
Yes, madam. I can read.
Okay, read for me, let me hear you.
Madam, I get eye problem. And this place, the light no bright enough. I don't know whether if I go outside, whether the thing go bright for me to see the thing. I get problem.
Okay, shut up. You get eye problem. Which eye problem? Which light is not bright? Listen to me. In fact, hold your ears. Very tight.
Yes, madam.
Make sure you write exactly what is written on that paper. Am I understood?
Yes, madam.
Now leave.
So I am now in heaven. We need cook. Madam, need cook, house girl, house help. Hey! Madam need we need house. Yeah. Now wow. Vacancy. We need house girl and the cook. Hi. Now me say I go to eat better food though. Madam, God will bless you. Madam thinks say I no sabi. I sabi. She why make she come read her now? She thinks I no sabi. Cook. House girl. I hope now those fine girls so may they come. Because I need house girl too. We got the house in my house.
Good day, sir.
Good day. What happened?
I came for a job interview.
You came? Only you?
No, we.
Okay, we came. You. Who among you hit that gate? I don't say na you. I know. With this your eyes. Hey! So now this hand you won't use break my gate. This hand will be like Monday hammer.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. And you look so voluptuous. Hey, Oga the tallest man. You can go inside, sir.
I hope you're not here to waste our time.
No, even your curry, I will not waste your curry. I'm not going to waste your time, I beg another gate stay there. No use your hammer. Break them.
Wow.
Wow. Here. Another one.
Okay, we are done with the interview. My sister and I will decide on when.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, my dear. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
What is your lovely name?
Zamzam.
Oh my God. Come. You look so beautiful. I like you. Look at your lovely eyes. You know what, my dear? You can start work immediately. Just give me a minute. Come in. You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
You'll be staying here for now, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable.
Zamzam. Zamzam.
Jenny, do you know that girl from anywhere?
No, I don't.
It's so strange the way you just accepted that girl into your home without an interview.
I just like her. She's so beautiful with her unique eyes. I didn't see any need to interview her.
Like is not just enough. Because I really don't understand the way you allow someone you don't even know into your home because of your personal feelings. It doesn't make sense to me.
Like I said before, I like her and I want her to always be around me. Maybe with time I'll get to know her. Yeah.
There's something strange about her. Even that her eyes that you say you like, that is the problem.
Oh, that is not the problem. Didn't you say it's so nice, bright and unique? My God, she's such a lovely girl. Don't worry, she's just an innocent young girl. No worries.
True.
Yes. Have you seen this design?
Which one? Hey, oh wow.
Hey.
How are you?
So, how was work today?
Work was fine. It was good. Have you been?
Fine. The workers I employed have started work today.
Well, that's great. Very good. In that case, we have to draft the budget so we know how to get to pay them monthly.
Okay.
Talking about work, Elizabeth.
My in-law.
Your appointment is ready, so you're starting work immediately.
My in-law! Oh, in-law, thank you so much. Thank you. Congrats. Yes, so Sorry. So sorry.
Fine, it's okay, thank you. Thank you. Honey, where did you get that girl from?
Sweetheart, she's God sent.
Indeed. I like her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So just get prepared so you start working with it.
Okay. I'll be there.
Alright. Working class. You're welcome, darling.
Zamzam. 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 Zamzam.
Auntie?
Yes, my darling.
I would love to follow you people to wherever you're going to be.
For you to come with us. But you see, we won't be coming back till late in the night. And you will feel bored.
I really don't care. I just want to be with you.
I understand, my darling. Okay, I make you one promise. You will follow me when next I'm going out. Is that okay?
Hey, sounds good.
So stay in the house and take good care of this house for me, okay? I will till I'm back.
Jenny, you're still here. We're running out of time.
I'm done already. My dear, let's go. We're going out now to be back in the evening. I want you people to carry out your duties to the best of your abilities, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure the house is in order, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Zamzam, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Take very good care of yourself and the house, okay?
I will. You have a beautiful day, ma'am.
You too, my dear.
Go and open the gate.
Zam. Fine girl. Zam, do you know that of all the girls in this compound, you are the only one with a beauty that radiates? A beauty that is pleasing to the eyes of a man like me. Zam, your beauty is unprecedented. In fact, Zam, you are too beautiful.
Benji, you really know how to flatter someone.
I'm not flattering you. I do not flatter. Sam, what I am telling you is the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Noted. I have to go now. You can go back to work.
I remember my days in Texas. These are easy brains for me.
Just they open, they close, they open, they close. No be power they use, no be strength. Eh? This will just they kill me with hunger. Eh? See all the one with them, my belly just they fight each other. They do riot. Eh? What thing I go do them now? Eh? Also, I don't employ cook, employ cleaner, employ everything we need. Eh? I make no. My head could break. Hey. Oh. What did I go do now? Eh? Make I give una some time. If you no come bring my food, una go see the other side of me. I go start to cry for una head. Even for una dream, una go to see me cry. Una go to see me for dream. Una go bring the food by force. I give una some time. If una no bring my food,
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Again. Zam.
Zam. Zam. Zam. Zam.
Zamzam, what do you think you have just done? Eh?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? After suffering to clean this place up, and you scattered it this way. What is happening here? It's not this girl. Look at the sitting room that I just finished arranging. See the way she's scattered everywhere.
You mean she did all this?
Yes, because she's the only one I met in here as I walked in.
Now listen, Zamzam. Because Madame Losi does not mean you can do anything you like. I give you less than 10 minutes to arrange this place the way it was.
You better go. Start arranging this place. Else, you will go hungry. You know me now. Start arranging. The almighty Zamzam.
Zamzam. Zamzam. Zamzam. Zamzam.
Nobody eats.
Food is ready. Myself, I don't ready to eat the food. I don't ready to talk. I am ready. The food is ready. I am ready.
Wetin happen?
I beg, na my belly. The team just go on strike for no reason. All the worm where they my belly begin fight each other. All of them they on strike. They know they work again. I beg, solve the problem. Solve the problem.
Jumbo! Jumbo! You too like food. If you no bother yourself, come. I mean suppose come serve you.
Kuku! Kuku! If I don't like food, who go work with gate? I be no say belly and gate they work together.
Okay, since you don't come, make I go collect the food.
Bring her come. See my plate.
Give me. Oga Jumbo. You too like food, Jumbo!
Kuku!
Jumbo!
Kuku!
Jumbo!
Kuku! You brush? I better fast.
I beg, if you not see that rat, make una tell her say food already.
Eh? I beg. Rat. Na person name? If na person name, hey! Any spirit of rat for this house, when they go come cut my portion, hey! In the name of Jesus, I bind you. In the name of Jesus, I bind you. In the name of Jesus, Father in heaven.
Wait!
calling Zamzam a rat. Hello? Stop that. It's only somebody that eats a rat that knows a rat. Do you eat rats?
Hey! Benji, waiting be your own. Waiting that one me. I call your name.
Salome.
I talk to you.
Salome! Today I have disowned you. You are calling Zamzam a rat.
As my mama, as my papa.
You will see. You will see. You're calling Zamzam a rat.
You take.
I'm looking for my tie. Have you seen it?
Which of them?
The dark red one.
No. Are you sure it's not among the ones that was sent to laundry?
Hold on, I'm coming.
I'm still doing this. Have you noticed something about Zamzam? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Anyway, what is it? I'm talking about her eyeballs. The thing changes like chameleon. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's red. I don't understand. My dear, I thought I'm the only one that have observed this. That girl's eyes looks evil. In fact, she's evil. I'm suspecting her for all that has been happening in this house. The girl is evil. I can hear some footsteps. Go. Talk later.
Where's Benji?
He went out.
He went out. Did any of you see my dark red necktie? Jumbo, you have not seen my tie?
Okay. How?
Who then came into this house and took...
Is this the red tie you're looking for, sir?
Yes. Where did you find it?
I saw it in the kitchen.
In the kitchen? Salome, what is my tie looking for in the kitchen?
My lord, please, it's okay. The most important thing is that you've seen your tie, okay?
Really shut up.
Zamzam. 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 Zamzam.
Abigail! Abigail!
Madam, you called me.
Where is the flower vase that was there?
The flower? Madam, it was here when I was cleaning this place.
So, he developed legs and walked out of this house.
I don't know what's happened. Please, let me look for it.
You better do. Because if you don't, I'm going to deduct it from your salary. What is it?
I can't find the money I kept in this drawer. The money I brought home yesterday.
You mean the 350,000 naira you came home with yesterday?
Exactly. Do you have an idea where the money could be?
Excuse me. What do you mean by that question? Are you suspecting me? No. Are you calling me a thief?
I would honestly if I have a reason to, because you're the only person who knows I came into this house with money yesterday.
You must be insane to think such of me.
What? I'm talking to you? You stole my money and you call me insane? Right? What is that money? I will kill you if you don't prevent me. Where is the money? Where is it? Where is the money?
Auntie, I hate to see you unhappy. It disturbs me whenever you cry. As for the money, I will help you find it.
How did you know there is missing money in this house?
I overheard Uncle talking about it. I overheard him asking you.
He thinks I stole the money.
It's okay. Stop crying. Maybe he didn't search his bosses very well. Or he probably forgot where he kept the money.
How did you know all this?
I'm only guessing, but trust me, I may be right.
We were family, we were best friends. And this love, I thought it would never end. How could you let this nothing come between us? How could you let this hatred show? just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. Oh.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this. But this is unlike Wilson. How would Wilson accuse you of stealing from him? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry about this, honestly. There must be something wrong somewhere. This is strange. He has never done this before, right? You know what? I think I should go in there and talk to him. Please do. Please. It's okay. It's alright, eh? I'll be right back.
And now you've ruined everything. Why? And now you brought this doom and us. Why? And now you brought this curse on us.
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, go ahead, I'm listening.
Wilson, you should be extremely crazy to have accused my sister of stealing from you. You know very well that she would not do a thing like that. She is not a thief! And you even went as far as beating her up! Wilson, I am ashamed of you. Anyway, I really don't have much to discuss with you. But the only thing I came here to tell you is you better get yourself downstairs and apologize to your wife. If not, first thing tomorrow morning, we're out of this house. Wilson? Wilson? I'm talking to you.
I can see madness runs in your family. Now get out of my room.
I should get out of your room.
Get out of my room! What impudence! You are... Okay, I know what to do. She actually walked in here to...
How did it go? It didn't go well. Like, there's something wrong with your husband. Because I tried talking to him, but he was just standing there, staring at me. He couldn't even utter a word. Like, honestly, it's strange. I'm sorry, there's no need to cry. Come on. Sorry. Just take it easy. I know I will still try to talk to him again. I'll talk to him again. Huh? So, have you taken anything for this?
To go report me to your elder sister after stealing my money?
I didn't report you to her. She's only trying to appeal to you on my behalf.
What useless appeal was that? I think something is wrong with both of you. Because the way she sounded was no appeal at all.
I will take anything from you, but please, don't insult my family.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Slapped me again.
I will do it again and again if you don't behave.
You're nothing but a monster. That's what you are.
You call me a monster? I will show you how a monster behaves now.
Snakes. Damn.
I'm sorry.
How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you ruined everything. Why? How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you brought this demon out.
Auntie, please stop crying. You're going to fall sick if you continue like this.
Is it not better for me to fall sick and die? My husband has changed. He's no longer the loving and caring man that I married. He has changed.
Auntie, it's okay. Just take it easy. I believe everything will be fine someday.
When will that day be? When? I doubt if I will be alive to witness that day.
No, don't say that again, please. Nothing will happen to you, nothing. You're going to be alive. You have me here. You can always count on me. I'm always here for you. Please don't say that again.
And now you brought this demon out.
Zam, do you know why I called you out here?
No.
I have been thinking in my heart all these days. I have not had peace. The last time I loved was in Texas, in the United States of America. And that woman had all your qualities, and you even have more qualities than she did. All this while, as I see you in this house, there's this feeling I have. And I think this is the right moment to tell you exactly what is it. Sam, I want you to be my girlfriend.
No. Sam, come back. I've not finished with you.
Never mind. I left this trouser here right now. What is going on? No, this
camping. I left the trouser right here. And the shirt is here. Holy money swallowing snakes. I'm sure I looked here now and I didn't see this trouser. What is going on? The trouser is here now. Never mind. Days in the US, just got all the swag. Yes, sir. I'm speaking span, good to go. Benji. Okay, you take this money, go get some diesel for the generator, then use the change to fill up the tank of the car you're using. Oh, generous, sir. Alright. Sir, I'm in a good mood today. Can I tell you about it? Okay, go ahead. Sir, you know, you remind me of my youthful days. The good old days in the United States of America, Texas. Yeah! Then we used to boogie, you know, boom, 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 boom. You just remind me, I was just like you, man. Well, alright, let me go get it. Alright, yeah? What? Wait! You mean you're actually going out this way? Yes. Don't I look good enough? You don't know your trouser is torn? Turn. Behind. Holy snakes! Holy money swallowing pythons! How? Damn! How? Come, please go change that thing. Make sure you don't go out that way. Yeah! What will I not see? Money swallowing pythons. Characters. Holy snakes! Holy money swallowing snakes. What's going on? How? Wait a minute. snakes. How? This trouser was okay when I wore it. How can this have happened? How? This is very unprudent. How can this have happened? Zam, I hope you have nothing to do with this. Is it because I told you I love you? Is that why you want to put me into trouble?
What stupid love?
The poor innocent girl.
Poor innocent girl. Have you seen that girl's eyes before? Even the way her eyes would turn to red sometimes, and it seems as if there's fire coming out from that girl's eyes when she's angry. You've not noticed that? My in-law, I believe and suggest that we should call that girl and ask her some questions about herself.